Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? If you're with me on Wednesday, then you know it's Bunny Week here at Level Up Cartooning. On Wednesday, we drew the White Rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. Today, we're drawing one of the cuter characters that ever came out of Disney Animation Studios, Thumper from Bambi. Okay, but before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. All right, so let's draw Thumper from Bambi. We're going to draw Thumper step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you watch any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, much like with the White Rabbit on Wednesday, Thumper is a bit over 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is a little over 2 of those. Okay, so let's start with that roadmap for Thumper. So there's our roadmap for Thumper. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put Thumper's eyes, nose, mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing. So you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay? So let's rough out Thumper's features. There are the roughed out features for Thumper. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in Thumper's final details. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Thumper. Alrighty, there he is, Thumper from the Disney classic Bambi. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Thumper before, you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring Thumper during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Thumper. And with that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Thumper. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Wishing you all a happy Easter, and until next time, keep drawing, my friends.